This recipe is one of my favorites. I make it every week because it's a perfect complement to sandwiches, barbecues, pasta, tortillas, and it's amazing since it's very healthy. It's a nutritious salad packed with vitamins, acting as a detox salad enriched with probiotics and prebiotics. It aids digestion, assists in weight loss, strengthens bones, and lowers cholesterol and triglycerides. I'll walk you through the process, and you can enjoy it on several days throughout the week. But before we start, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Very OK channel for more exciting recipes and knowledge on health and nutrition. The ingredient list will be in the video description. Let's dive into this special recipe. You'll need 2 carrots. Carrots are superfoods, roots that offer health benefits like preventing aging, cancer, preserving vision. Rich in vitamin A, carrots are considered a fantastic functional food, providing multiple health benefits. Chop the carrots into small pieces. If you have a chopper, it will make this task much easier. As you chop, set aside the carrots in a bowl for later. Next, you'll need 3 large cucumbers. Chop them the same way you did the carrots. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in water and soluble fiber. They are a source of vitamins A, C, K, B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and manganese, as well as antioxidants. As you chop the cucumber, add it to the bowl with the carrots. Now, add in tomatoes. After washing 3 tomatoes, chop them into small pieces, no need to peel them. Tomatoes add a special flavor. Rich in lycopene, vitamin C, and potassium, tomatoes promote oxygen transport in the blood, benefiting cardiovascular health. Here I have an onion. You can add 1/2 or 1/4 of a chopped onion, depending on your preference. This salad won't have a strong onion taste due to its mix, especially after a day. Trust me, this probiotic salad will complete your meals. Onions are functional foods, rich in compounds that help prevent heart diseases, diabetes, cancer, and boost the immune system. Now, for a special touch, I'll add coriander and parsley. I particularly love coriander and always include it in this probiotic salad. It's delightful and highly nutritious. Parsley offers numerous benefits. Its high fiber and antioxidant content help lower bad cholesterol and triglycerides, preventing cardiovascular diseases. Coriander aids in lowering blood sugar levels by activating certain enzymes. It also strengthens the immune system and prevents diseases due to its rich antioxidant content. Add all these ingredients to a dish. Check out this wonderful salad. Yes, it's truly delicious. Here, I have the key ingredient for our probiotic salad: apple cider vinegar containing the mother, which is essentially the probiotic beneficial for health. I'll add 2 generous spoonfuls of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar offers numerous health benefits, including aiding weight loss, providing antioxidant properties, protecting the liver, preventing diabetes, offering diuretic effects, and improving digestion. Here on the Very OK channel, you can find a special video on apple cider vinegar's benefits. The link will be in this video's description. Next, I have high-quality Italian olive oil, which is crucial. Preferably, opt for organic oil. I'll add 2 generous spoonfuls. I also have quality sea salt, adding 2 spoonfuls. And then black pepper for a unique taste. Adjust the black pepper to your preference. We have a special video on black pepper's health benefits too. Look at this amazing salad. It's super healthy, and with its probiotic properties and vitamins, it will significantly boost your health. This comprehensive salad can be consumed for up to a week. Just store it in your fridge. If you found value in this recipe and are excited to nourish your body with such health-boosting dishes, please give this video a thumbs up. Sharing this video can help someone you care about discover the benefits of wholesome, probiotic-rich foods. Thank you for being a part of the Very OK community.